Hello, welcome everyone. Hello. Back to working with our mates. Hello. Hello, Trisin. Hello, Capital J. Welcome. Welcome everyone. Continue working on this maid game. Wrong with combat command. It works. Hello, Lim. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. You should do work. Be diligent. Don't get distracted by me flailing around trying to become a good programmer. I hope everyone's hear me, by the way, because I don't have any kind of feedback right now. Eh. Oh. Okay. Thank you very much for confirming. Man. Oh, thank you very much. Hmm. What did I break? Thank you very much. Uno codes. Oh, like specific problem over here. Combat input. Yeah, I'm over here. I'm I'm a little confused. What's the problem over here? 54. Oh, over here. Combat command input. Imanov, yes. The answer is yes. Combat command input. Is combat command input stays disabled? I'm not sure. Give me 1 second. I need to turn something off. 1 second. Just realize. Forgot to turn off something. How many years do you have with Unity already? Not that much. By the way, nice Gachimuchi. Nothing of. Okay. Screen should be going back. Yes. Now you should see a screen again. I'm sorry. I needed to check something out. By the way, Imanov, if you haven't heard, I answered. The answer is yes. I do. Renosec, it's if we specifically say how many years, I would say 5. But I'm not very good learner. By the way, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone for showing up. Thank you very much. Combat command input. Oh, yeah, I haven't cached the combat command input. That's why it's doing a funny thing. That explains everything. This? That's how I can make a combat command input work, right? Yes, combat command input. Okay. Let's check it now. So she is moving, and now she is receiving a command of combat. Okay. Oh, I need to tell him. Ew. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Everything seems fine. Okay. 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 What else? So, not implemented. Combat interact with. It's not implemented. Yes, I last time I stopped on combat part. Good. Okay. Okay. So how is everyone's life? How is everyone's last few this weekends, by the way? What is everyone doing on this weekends? Does anyone play fun games or watching fun movies or anime? It can't be only me who do nothing. Combat. A command combat. Move character. Let's get this out. Character combat. Hi, Cat in Crazy Hat. I remember you. Welcome back. From last time. I worked on weekend. But I did get to try Sons of Forest yesterday. Oh, it's a new survival game. I still don't get it. Is it like an like I checked it, it looks like a forest. I think it's from the same developers. Is it like specifically cooperative game multiplayer one or like what? I genuinely don't get the difference between the original forest and Sons of the Forest. What's the difference? Character control, character combat. Okay. Mm. Character combat, character interact, right? So agent, character combat. Okay. And sequels of the. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, I guess. I were never really that big into survival games. Your girlfriend is. I give me 1 second. I were never very big into survival games. How can I say it? I liked Worm Unlimited. Maybe you heard about this game. Because it's like I really enjoyed just going around and like becoming a blacksmith, you know? So I go make myself an anvil, making myself like tools and start making like swords and like some, you know, armor. And I just enjoyed the process of slowly building your skill to become a better blacksmith. And I like this kind, give me depths of this, of the worm into survival game, and I will be like having fun. But most of those games are like, for example, Project Zomboid I played. I like the game, but like it gets like it runs out of content to do very quickly, and it's like, I have nothing else to do. I have like those high skills. I'm already solved the combat. The enemies are not showing me any kind of danger, and only the asshead who is trying to fly a helicopter is posing any danger to me because he summons all the zombies around on the map to my position. That's all. And it's like, I kinda ran out of fun in these games too very quickly. Actually, I liked 7 Days to Die because of that. Because like in 7 Days to Die, you have like every 7 days there is like a waves of zombies trying to attack your base, and it's fun, especially with friends. We were having so much fun just building crazy bases and like looting between runs, crafting stuff. That was fun. That stuff I liked. I saw you started Sims course. No, actually it's not a girlfriend. First of all, I don't have a girlfriend. Second, it's my one of the viewer really asked me a lot of time for that series. So because people really asked for this series, I'm listening to my viewers. I'm listening to you guys. So I made the series. Yeah, I like 7 Days to Die. But yeah, there. Thank you very much, Imanov. Thank you. And by the way, remember, join the Discord. If you have any difficulties, any questions, anything, ask away. We're a friendly bunch. We're trying to help everyone. But yes, and that goes for everything on my channel. Like, I'm trying to meet what people like and want. Like, if people want new a Sims series, I heard the demand. Some people say they want it. I will try to make it. That's all. Like, just if you want something, the best way is to ask. And if I have time and ability, I will make a tutorial. I'm not guaranteeing it will be a good tutorial, like perfect how you should do it, like ideal coding approach to the issue. But I will try to make something so you can base your, yourself around that tutorial. Okay. Need combat. It's interrupt current want to combat. Okay. Here, stop combat command. Come character combat. Right. Okay. I eh, sure. Thank you very much. Come on. Will act this command. I see. Wrong button. Missing. Changing. Hmm. definitely will need stops facing enemy, enemy is defeated. Is trapped. But okay. So fact. This into character interact. To do character interact. Oh boy. Hello, Mithra. Welcome. Public command status. Yes, correct, Ivan. Okay. Let's move character status. Yes. 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 We will do something like public void set target. Target. Wow. That's a lot of people watching me right now. Welcome everyone. Okay. Okay. Everything ends. Enemy. I wish I can do it every week, but I've been dealing with like serious problem few weeks. So I skipped a week, I believe, so I skipped a week or two of streaming, unfortunately. So yes, I trying to stream every week. I really want to keep keep to the schedule, but life ain't been nice to me lately. Think. I'm sorry if I disappoint some people for not streaming more often, because I see people really interested in this game, but I'm sorry, it's not that easy. Anyway, something more shitty. Let's switch the topic from talking about my problems Let's go. Yeah, I hope I will be able to master the strength. It's a little hard. But yeah, I will try. I will try. I really want to. Target. Mithra, which series are you following? Hi, OC Welcome. I see. But not everything, believe me. I have a pretty bad parts. Even in Vampire Survivors, I do have some mistakes. I'm not perfect, everyone. Okay. Top combat. Fact. Good. Interact. Interact. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I. Yeah, this should probably be moved into character interact. To be honest, don't think it's a proper place. Okay. Move character. Like this is good. This is little more mess. Check ready to interact. You're welcome. I'm happy that people enjoying the action RPG. Which episode have you reached by this point? Dream Ace. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name, but by which episode you already watched? Are you up to date? Combat. Set. So 19 starting today. Oh yeah, I'm sorry about in input issues with the game. Like the input is really messy done. I need to redo them at some point because like it's just a mess, to be honest. I will be redoing the input as soon as I will be implementing skills into the system, like abilities, when you can throw a fireball or something like this. So yes, I'm sorry about an input system. It will be updated and will be better. Oh, you're not even. I believe you're not even that far into this. So input became a problem. Yo. So combat command. Okay, so character combat dot command status. Wait. Weird. Fine. Casing, engaging, completed, interrupt. Okay. Destination. Oh, I know. Case, character combat, command status, idle, break. If I have good weekend and stop remaining, I could catch up. You can't imagine how many times I'm like, okay, maybe I should concentrate on one feature instead of jumping between hundred of different features in my tutorials. I'm pretty sure I messed up Stardew Valley tutorial exactly because of this issue, because I overexposed myself to multiple of features trying to implement at the same time. Okay, so if it's idle here, how does chase executed every frame? Chasing. Uh, f- 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 combo. I see. Okay. If I have like doing this stuff. Doing well. I am. I'm doing better. Let's say it like this. So, setting target, and then we're chasing it. I really don't like. Yes. Okay. Try to concentrate on this rather than distracted by something. This is like, yeah, but very terribly, very terribly done. I'm trying to think how, like, should I keep it here or should I move it? Like, I don't like how bloated controlled AI agent. Like, I genuinely don't like how it's getting bloated. Like, I genuinely start to feel like it's too bloated. Maybe we should change something about it. Uh, uh Okay, how about this? We make it, and then if it's bad, we change it later. Like, it's a good idea to turn your code into complete mess by doing this, I know. But like, I genuinely want to move forward with something rather than sitting and doing nothing. So, that this here. It's not really needed in the case of state trees because it's a pretty simple state machine of just linear execution. Yeah, I know what you mean, but like in our case, it's a pretty simple, straightforward state machine of a linear command execution. In this case, like, do you really need to have a state tree? Like, no, I don't think so. Mm-hmm. So here, because commands are linear, I don't see needs for a state tree. That's all. Chasing. Character. Yeah, I start to feel like it's better if we, yes, we will be moving the execution later on into the command executors. Yes, that will be much more reasonable and logical to have. Wow, I have 14 people watching. Jeez. Hello everyone. Character combat. No. Character combat. Chasing. Command target enemy. Our old layer. Everything there. Okay. Layers. Just add layers. Yes. Say character. Yeah. Okay. No layer. And go top of the series. Is there gonna be a combat? You mean serious? This is not a series. This is just streams of me trying to make a game. Yes, there will be a combat. Mm-hmm. So she is chasing. Like. Exactly the same thing. Over here. Command status. This shit. Okay. Uh. Okay, it should be like this, I think. So in idle it does nothing. And in chasing, we will be chasing our enemy. Yes. Instead of this, we will be like chasing target and chasing even. So check line of sight. So if we have a line of sight, then our you know, the combat will be there because mates will be protecting the mansion from invasions of, I don't know, everything under the sun. That includes demons and ninjas. Because that's funny. Check line of sight. Also, like time management. Yes, I wouldn't say that I'm trying to make like a StarCraft level of, you know, engagement. You know, no microcontrol on, so you need to be like a flash of, you know, of StarCraft to play the game. It's more casual. But yes, I do want to make it more like, oh, it's time management. Oh, and you, besides managing chores, you need to have, you will be having a combat. If it's false, move character. Wait. Move character. Do people enjoy the sounds of typing? Is it like ASMR enough for you guys? Character. Set destination. Enemy. If target enemy equals null, debug error, target enemy is null. Transform equals null. Debug error, target enemy transform is null. Oh no! Oh no! Dream Ace! Oh no! I'm terrible at this, man. I'm sorry. I will be honest with you. Like, the naming convention is one of my weakest point. I'm trying to do better. I'm really appreciative that you're saying that you understand them. I'm glad you get it, but like, I genuinely need to improve my naming convention, and I'm trying to improve it. I like. I hope I'm progressing since my first day of YouTube's. It's like, I'm sorry. I guess I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you. Professor next level. Don't use I. No, I disagree on this, YOLO cat. It depends on situation. Sometimes you better to use I in for loops. The bad problem is when you always use an I indexer. You know, give me 1 second. I need to move one of my bottles I used for yogurt away so it doesn't fall. You know, I need to throw away garbage. Be right back, 1 second. Back. Yeah, I get it. I just rolling with the joke. Okay. Check line of sight. Okay. Move character, set destination, target transform position. So now, if I understand it correctly, if I didn't mess anything up, if I select my character and click on this guy, she will run towards the guy. Yep. Now she's stuck. Because we don't have an interruption system for our attack. No problem, will be fixed. Okay, how can we... So our character now can move chasing with... Oh, let's actually test this. So select maid, send her after the guy. Scene. And now if I move the guy, she will be chasing him around. Good. It works. Perfect. Uh, now we need to have a check line of sight between... okay. Layer. Serialize field. So for... Wait. Using JavaScript linter coding convention to see how it was. Like using big component coding convention. Everywhere had to be at least 3 carousel using IDX for every project now. Yeah, it's a good idea. Like I on my server we have a video called like there is a server called there is a channel called Video Treasure Trove, and there is a guy I found his tutorials about clean code, and he specifically says that everything needs to be named conventionally understandable. Like you should avoid using what's called a magic numbers. Like what is X? I don't know. Just call it what it is. Like if it's like an position on the table, for example, then call it position on the table, not X, not Y. Like it's not understandable. What does this mean? You need to understand what something is doing at the first glance. Check line of sight. Linecast? I guess physics. Linecast? If there is Any colliders intersecting in line between start and end. Mm-hmm. Dreamace, let me be honest with you. The answer is yes. What I'm doing right now is technically my day job. It's my primary job. But if you want to change jobs, like, please don't misunderstand me. If you want to go into game development, go for it. It's up to you. But please hear me out. It's much easier to find different jobs. It's much easier to go into coding overall rather into game design or game development, because it's a very competitive field. Everyone wants to be a game developer, you know. Everyone wants to make video games, so the pay is very low, the competition is extremely high. Like, again, don't get me wrong, if you want it, go for it. I'm not gonna stop you. But just if you just want to change jobs, just go for Python. You know, go learn a Python. Like, just learn how to do something with coding, and you will be much better than in game development. But again, if you want, go for it. Russia. Okay. Raycast. Hey, YellowCat, drop me the name of the convention on the server, please. Let me read it for myself. I'm just curious. Ray equals new. No. Create array starting. No, I won't. No. Here we will be using linecast. Linecast is much better in this case, because we say to position and n is target enemy dot transform dot position layer mask. Yeah, I'm like, I should be like, it's possible. I'm doing it. I am not the brightest and sharpest tool in the shed. I'm doing it. But I am living like a monk. I don't have kids. I'm just here making video games and entertaining my audience. That's all what I do. Like, I don't need a lot of money. And I'm living in a cheap country where it's possible. But like, if you're living in a first world, then it's like, it gets harder. It gets much more harder to get into game development, like I did. Layer. Okay, line cast. If line cast return false. Well, hell, why not just do this? Like this. Environment layer. Yes. Bam. We will say default. Yes, environment layer will be default. Label. Are you? Did? Hello, C. Entertain. Cool, thanks. Working on learning in my spare time. Another question: is it necessary to get to Juju? No. No. You don't need any kind of certificates, to be honest. What's important is who you know and who knows you and for what reason. Like, I don't want to, how can I say it so it doesn't, like, people comes to me for these jobs because like people knows who I am, you know. But the problem is the bar of entry is very high. Like my code is nowhere near what it should be to be professional, you know. So it's, and if you don't have like a professional education, like certification, like a lot of certifications, like the universities and places like this, they will teach you all those approaches to coding, all those standards, all the what's they called? Not paradigms, patterns. Oh my god, like Jesus. And because of this, you will have easier time to penetrate into the industry. You see what I mean? Opinion on Bing GPT or Google Bard in general. I don't see them. I see them as an interesting tool for game development, for like creating dialogues, generating dialogues on the fly, maybe generating some basic textures and stuff like this. But so far, I don't see them as anything seriously endangering game industry. I'm sorry, I seen people saying how programmers will lose their jobs, and then they show the code made by AI, which is like hello world level. And it's like, if you're scared of losing your job over this code, you're not a programmer in the first place. Marketing calls. Yes, marketing is important. John Douglas. Hey Greg, how are you? I'm doing better. The YouTube actually likes to pitch streamers, small streamers, which is kind of funny. Welcome, by the way. If you are not a subscriber, an actual subscriber, I'm like, welcome. I don't know what to say to you. I'm making a video game. That's all. I'm sorry. It's not that fun. I'm not playing video games or something like this. Environment layer. So yeah, but remember, I will just keep improving. Yeah, I will be improving, but you know, people were saying the same about industrialization, that in 100 years no one will have jobs, like, you know, robots will take over, like factories will be so automatic, no one will be able to find a job. And I don't know, last time I checked, at least in my country, we have one of the lowest unemployment rate in like centuries. So like, sure, not seeing the effect of, you know, of entire automatization thing yet. I see. I see. That's good that like, if you like, I tried to learn 3D modeling so many times. Yeah, like last time I tried, I can like make convincing like faces, anime faces specifically, like the body itself, like yeah, I can do that decently, but the clothes just no. Clothes just, that's it, I'm out. That's too much. I don't understand how to make them. It's probably a pretty funny whiplash listening to my tutorials, only to my tutorials, and then go on stream and hearing me actually having kind of personality. Some kind of personality. Besides having like a monotonous voice. Mhm. Hit me up, not an ad. I did. I have to take paper. Hey, talk to me on Discord. I'm even ready to pay for it. Like it's not a problem. Like I'm not rich. I can't offer a lot, but hit me on Discord and we can discuss about 3D modeling because I do need 3D models a lot. You already read on stream. And let me ask some questions. Sound like I'm. Hey, before you leave Dream Maze, remember something very important. Just because it's good to learn game development anyway, because you still picking up a coding skills. You're picking up a coding as a skill overall. You're learning how to code. So even if it doesn't work out, like, look, let's be real. Not everyone will going to, break into game industry, unfortunately. Even if you don't break into the game industry, you still get this skill of coding, right? So you can just later on readjust yourself into like a Python or C# for office development or stuff like this, and you will be ready to go. Like you already have a basis to be ready to go into programming jobs. You see what I mean? So it's not a waste. Go for it. Good luck, man. We're all going to go through it. We will be all right. But yes, CA Entertainment, please hit me on Discord. We can discuss it further. Gatita, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty different on streams because on tutorials I'm just reading a text to you guys. Set destination. Mm-hmm. Made character. Made character is a character. Yes, to children's. Enemy is a character. I get it. I don't. Mm-hmm. Incorrect. Check. Line of sight. Line cast. Yes. Yes. It's a little finicky. Like this. Just. Yeah. just don't care about the environment. Navigation. Bim. Plane. We just need this cube over here. Plane and this. Bake. Hello. Can you bake, please? Navigation static. Bake. Yes, thank you very much, Duxio. Quite a few. I feel like I could. Good, good. You learning. That's important part. Okay. So now if I click on her, doesn't matter that she's going through. Okay. Those are the implemented inventory weight and stamina mechanics on my own, and it was so. Yes, good. Okay. 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 How can I? So first of all, check line of sight. If check was based around Sky Roads L game. Oh, whoa. See, entertain. It's not what you thought baking. This baking is of what's called a navigation mesh. It's for pathfinding. So I think you know what's pathfinding. If you don't, drop the question. I will explain to you what is pathfinding. So it's not a texture baking. It's a little different. Distance. Check. What? Let's do this. Let's invert. And the bool. Return vector 3 at distance between transform position and target enemy transform position. I see. Point cloud system. In the case of what I'm using, it's using a triangular mapping system. It's using like how can I say it? Polygons. It's actually creating like a polygon. It's let's even see this. You see, it's creating a giant polygon, and around this you have like a small mesh. You see, with angles, and he's using those. He triangulates them in some way automatically. I don't know which algorithms they use to triangulate the space, and then you move through this mesh. It's actually less informative. It became less informative. Before you can even see like the areas, like you will see like lines going from those vertices. It's not vertices, from points. From those points you will see lines going, showing where the polygons is. Where is polygons? Where is the mesh, navigation mesh? And like you, but you can have a tri-system are way better to work with. Working with point clouds and sources is a nightmare. But for example, I have a point system, the node system. I prefer to call it node system, where you have like, you know, nodes for each square, for example, or hexagon, depends on what you're trying to make. You can make it in Unity. I believe they even have like an asset for this, automatic asset, so you can just download it and use it in the project. But I made my own custom in the Tactics RPG because like I just prefer to have my own, you know. I actually never worked in Source. Okay, I'm kinda lying. I touched a little of Quake Engine, and if I remember correctly, Source is still pretty much a very advanced, you know, upgraded Quake Engine. Am I right? Really? Oh, yeah, look. Maybe I can Oh no, it's for enough agents. Show height map. Yeah, it's okay. Let's move forward. Hey, we're making combat. I'm sorry. Float attack range. Let's say 6F. Less than attack range. It is, but I'm not sure about source since they revealed it. Yeah, maybe. I'm a little of a weirdo, you can say. I like Half-Life 1 more than I like Half-Life 2. Like, I don't like Half-Life 2. I genuinely don't like the game. I'm sorry. Oh, my phone is slow using float point values. Well, you use it when it's appropriate, you know? Oh yeah. And then when both of this is correct, we say stop. And she will stop. Weirdo. Yes, I am. I found first Half-Life is better paced than second one. I often, when I try to like play Half-Life 2, it's like I get to the point when you drive on this floaty yeah, the hologram. You know this, when you reach this floating on the water vehicle, I don't know how it's called, like air vehicle, I don't care. When you're being chased by a helicopter, and it's like, oh, you're driving somewhere. Okay, fine. You drive somewhere, you kill this helicopter, then you go out and you sit into a different car in like it's like dune buggy, and you drive somewhere, and you drive and you drive and you drive, and I'm like, ah, God, when it's going to get like better? And I just, nah. Like, I just, nah. I don't know, I don't get it. I'm sorry. I'm not saying it's a bad game, guys. I hope you understand this, but I don't get it. It's not for me. My first coffee, it's time to go to the gym. Yeah, look, again, remember, I'm here to answer the questions, I'm here to help. Just don't be shy. We have a Discord, we talk all the time. Yeah, maybe. But I still have this, like, you know, in Half-Life 1, I still remember this moment when you crawl through the tunnel. And, like, I still remember this feeling of dread of those Marines, and they just throw grenades at you, and they actually do it pretty well. And it's like, I'm scared of just like running around. They keep pushing you, they throw grenades, they try to flash you. It's like, oh my god, this is fun. Meanwhile, Half-Life 2, 2 hours in, and I'm like, oh my god, why am I driving? I don't like driving in video games. Except I play Euro Truck Simulator, but it's different. It's totally different. I'm allowed to play in Euro Truck Simulator because it's not just driving. I mean, it's drive. Whatever. I'm a weirdo. Okay. So we have it done. So now she is go chase the enemy around the walls and approach to the distance for liking. Oh, sure. Yeah. Let's try. My family has. Yes. Yes. It's a way to detox from the stress. You just when you have a bad day I just launch Euro Truck Simulator, put on audiobook or a music, and I just drive. It's like not even like I have like 100 millions in this game. I don't know. I played for like 300 hours in that game. I have so much money. Like I won the game pretty much. And like I just launch it to drive around. You must like Mario Kart. I do like Mario Kart. I don't like have casualties. And this might sound a little weird, but my point is I exhaust Mario Kart for myself too fast. I believe you is my favorite. Morrowind is great. Morrowind is pretty fun. I like Morrowind. I wouldn't say it's my favorite. I still actually think Daggerfall is more fun for me. But I agree. Morrowind is great. What do you think about SnowRunner? I like SnowRunner. I actually like it, but I have it, but I don't have time to play it in last few months or like a year. I believe I bought it at the summer sale, and I didn't have any time to play it, unfortunately. Like I liked it. I played a little of it, and what I played I really enjoyed. But I just no time to play games, unfortunately, that much. Like it, you see, the situation is, I'm either playing a video game or I'm doing this, you know. So I end up choosing doing this instead of playing video game. Okay, engage in combat. Engage. So how can I? Me too. I haven't touched video game in a long time. No, I've been playing before the stream started. Actually, I played like an 40 minutes of Bloons TD. I play Bloons TD6 lately. Another problem is that a lot of games, like, there is not a lot of games I personally like, and I'm very picky with games. Like, I want like a game like a Jagged Alliance or a game like Front Mission, but there is not that many games which can offer the similar feelings. Like, I like the idea of, for example, Total War games, but I don't like their execution of Total War games. That sounds very weird, but yes, that's kind of the issue for me. Engage in combat. Okay. Float, chase, range, chase until range equals 8. Distance check, float, -1 f. Generate add parameter. Offset plus offset. And now stop if Set destination. Relocate. Agent combat. Okay. So check line of sight, distance check. You know, we've been live for an hour. I think I'm a little burned. I need to take like a 2-minute break. Just to reload myself because I start to feel like, you know, I see VG in your server is called voice channel. Like that the first character is lowercase. Can you make it voice channel? Yes. Just let me try. Edit channel. If changes. It works! Yes, yes, I can! Anyway, let's. I will take like a 5-minute break. No, that's too much of a break. Inspector. Break time. Let's say it's 300. Okay, be right back, everyone. Small break to reload myself. guess who's back? Me's back. Okay. Sorry for the small distraction. We're back to the usual program. Ah! Sorry. That was totally painful. I bet people heard this. Okay. So, now, when she... So, she shoot. And when she shoot, there is a timer. And between shots. Float. Attack. Timer. Like, let's say. Doesn't matter. Float. Time between attacks. How many messages did Discord process just now? A lot. I got them a lot. All of them. Internationally. I'm sorry. I'm I just opened my Discord for a second to make sure nothing weird is going on the server, and then everyone got messaged. Also, I've been playing Minecraft too much lately. What the reference game ticks again? Yeah, I cannot play Minecraft alone. I only can play it with someone. Mostly with friends, of course. I know that's shocking. I have friends. If time attack. Wait, attack timer. Don't mess it up. If attack timer less than 0f. Let's do this. Just no. Attack timer. Time between attacks is like the one thing to have more of my dedication than most things. Sure. I still think I have much more time in original Doom and in the Grim Dawn. This is two of my most played games, I believe. Nothing else come close. Can I post Google Drive link of my game to show, of course? Cardudok Delikaya. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name. You can put stuff in the showcase. On the server we have a showcase channel. I would advise to post your game on itch.io though, because Google Drive links is a little how can I say it, suspicious, let's say it like this. So just post it on itch.io and post it on showcase server channel on my server, and you're good to go. Okay, we need to get the access to Realize field. Animator. 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 Yes, upload to each IO. You believe me, it's the best. It's the best way to do this. Animate. Animate. Okay, not animator, animate. Animate. Get comp. Or just take screenshot of your game. Yeah. Yeah, again, showcase channel. You good to go if it's I'm making for 10 minutes at least. Yes. Okay, 10 minutes is already a lot of content. More than some AAA games. I'm not getting. I'm never going to get hired into AAA studio anyway. I'm of course joking. That's obviously. Okay, animate. So now we will be animating. Set interact. Public void. Set attack. Full L trigger attack. No. Attack. Attack. Boom. Attack. Attack idle. Attack shoot. Attack shoot. Okay. Now I'm we will see. Rifle aim. Rifle shoot. There's no exit date over here. Trigger. Shoot. Good. Okay, I need to talk to Intelkin about this animation. Like it. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. I'm sorry, I just let know a guy who made this animation that there is need to be some work done to these animations. Okay. So when she and then okay. Public void move should okay. Animator set trigger should I'm from one, like, I were born in one of the coldest city on earth. So yes, I'm pretty sure if you are not from Canada, you will not be able to outdo me. Or Swede, sure. Norwegian countries can try to do that too. That's for sure. My moderator can outdo me on coldness. I'm sorry about that thing which I said on the server. Just, you know, guys, it's it's how YouTube works. Wrong, it's not odd, it's called cold. Okay, so now we just need to call this character combat animate. So engaging animate set attack true animate good allocate set attack false false command status chasing not yet but one can always hey, if I can help you out by chat, let's do it. Oh yes, yeah, MC? What do you mean by MC? What is MC? Oh, Minecraft. I am such an weirdo who told, oh, MC, Mech Commander, a game from 1999. And it's a niche game. I'm sure they're talking about Mech Commander. Is it desktop? It's a desktop game. It's a desktop game right now. By the way, I'm so happy Mech Warrior and BattleTech came out. I'm like, gee, I'm so happy in Gideon. There is like another mech game, and you seen the Armored Core is coming out. But it's just the fact that mech games are getting a comeback. Mech games are getting a comeback is like, that's definitely a grandpa medicine moment, guys. Mech commanders with robots. That's literally in the name, it's game with mechs. So animate set attack to be true. Right? Ah, no. Shoot. Shoot. So here, animate, shoot. So I believe now our character should be able to shoot. Oh, you're making a car. So let's check this. If I do this and I tell my mate to do that. Okay, I see there is an issue. First of all, let's remove this goddamn table. Move away. We will be dealing with you later, guys. Okay, now. What else? I need to do this. Aim. Apply. shoot, no, loop, apply, interact, apply, idle, apply. Yes. Yes, animation is... I like that. She has this murderous intent with this face. Did my... No, it did not freeze. I thought my Unity just freeze. I think he haven't made the right. Yeah, I think he did not made the leading bone for a weapon. Yeah, burnout is rough, guys. I can relate. And by the way, see entertain. No, not 6. 9. She is even more deadlier now. Again, this is all testing purposes. This will be changed and, you know, improved upon. We're just making a game to work. So she is chasing a character, and now we need to apply damage. Size, I love the husk. 9, yes. 9, the whooping range of 9. The game is broken. Everyone should quit it now. Set target. Okay, let's say integer damage is 10. Set target, shoot, animate, shoot. Target enemy that take damage. Oh, we're using float as a damage. Oh, sure, whatever. Float. Then F. Sure. Whatever. Damage. Oh yeah, we were just saying whatever. Attack range of. I think it will break. She will just be attacking from, like, at the very best, she will be attacking from the inside of the enemy. Chicago typewriters. What do you mean by Chicago typewriters? But look at her, she's so cute. I like this. I like this model. It's so cute. I think there is built-in method for converting between. Yes. You can convert, but I'm using floats because, like, why do you need to pull values? Just use floats at this point. I don't need precision of integer in this case. Take damage, defeated, set active, false. Okay. Public bool check defeated. Return enemy stamina is less than 0. So now, oh, actually there is a slang for Thompson machine gun. No, you don't. I actually want to do something funny about this. I want to do something funny about this, like when she approaches and starts shooting, like, you know, taking a position of like she's idle right now, right? So when she approaches and pull out a gun to shoot, it will pull out a random gun. There will be like 20 of different random weapons, and there is like a very small minuscule chance that she will pull out like an, I don't know, a mop, or like, I don't know, and type, like, as I say, like a typewriter, but not like a Thompson, but an actual typewriter, you know, something funny like this, like bullshit stuff. I think that will be hilarious. Just imagine she just run, and at the same time it works exactly as any other gun. So she just cross the corner, pull out and mop and start blasting an enemy with it. I think that will be funny. Take damage. If checks engage in combat. If target enemy with random value rather than by tapping random value, you can do it in two ways. Like, there is multiple ways how you can do that. You can do random.value. It will return a number between 0 and 1. Then you can have a random range, which will return the number between 0, between two ranges. So if you say, like, for example, between 1 and 5, so you will have like a random number between those numbers, you know. So yes, you have multiple ways how you can do that. So for example, random.value Unity Engine and random.value, this will return a number between 0 and 1, float of course. And if I say Unity Engine dot random range, this, for example, will say, so it will be like this, you see, 3F and 22F, you see. Oh my god, 25 viewers. Welcome everyone, welcome. Well, you know, it's Java and this is C#. It's two different languages. No, you don't need to do that in Unity. But I believe in C# you have to do that. It's just pure C#. Check defeated. Again, welcome everyone. Thank you very much for showing up. Check defeated. If he is defeated, check defeated. Check defeated. Okay. Command status completed. I had to do that a lot when I made a music player in Visual Studio. It made me cry. Wait, why did you need to use random and to shuffle, right? To shuffle the playlist. Check defeated. Return false. If target enemy is null, target enemy dot transform equals null. Return true if target enemy dot check defeated return true. Everything else is fine. Okay. Fine. Let's go. Okay. So now she will blast the... Hello? What? Why am I pressing right mouse button and nothing is happening? What did I break? Did check defeated? Broke something? Let's try this. What did I break? What did I break? Yeah, check defeated is breaking. I don't know why, but otherwise I'm going to show my game and get views. There is something I need to change. Because you're a perfectionist. That happens, man. I know this feeling. Don't worry. Sounds about right. Yes. The most amount of errors and bugs are being discovered in first hour of game being released. All the bugs will be discovered the second you release your game. Target enemy equals null. Target enemy transform equals null. Check defeated. Go to definition. Is less than 0. Eh? Take damage. Okay. I'm a little confused why my check defeat building approach takes this many tries. This is just life summons. Yep. Yep. Not even. Nothing is safe. Even if you're cooking the most basic stuff, you know, you're still going to make mistakes. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. What am I missing? What did I do wrong? What's being broken? I don't understand. Wait, my main character. I need debug vision. Combat. Character combat. Target enemy. Oh, I know. I think I know what's problem. Target enemy. Right? Or no? It's a target. Chasing. Check defeated. If if command status not equals command status dot idle or bam. Why not do that? What am I doing with my life? Yeah. Dear Midnight, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. You know this meme about like AI and it's just an if-else statements everywhere. The procedural generation is the same, but it's like, oh, it's all Perlin noises. Just everything is Perlin noises. Oh, she's destroyed it. Finally. Cool. Let's say it has 30 FP, 30 health. And now, no, not Perl. Branch shapes for trees by manual existing Y values as an. Yeah, it's something. I hear you. So she shoots once, shoot twice, and on the third shot, she defeats the enemy. Yay! Works. Character combat. So when it's complete, we will say stop combat. And we will just be like target enemy equals no. Command status equals command status idle idle, right? So command or what? I managed to. Impressive. Good job. Okay. I have so many talented people in my on my Discord. Complete current command. Bam. Complete current command. Combat. Character combat. Stop combat. Go to definition. Target enemy. No. Target. Shoot. The target. That should work. So she runs. She attacks the thing. It's defeated. And now I can tell her to run to a different position. Good. And we can clean dirt or stuff like this. Right? Yes, and she's cleaning. Perfect. Oh, yes, she's stuck in the... so... Stop combat. Animate. Set attack. Pulse. Perfect. Welcome back. We're done with attacking enemies. So I can select her. She goes and run, attack the enemy. And then the enemy is dead. And now I see a bag. But fine. We can deal with that. Now I can control her. Okay, she keeps attacking. But keeps attacking. So character combat. Oops. Completed, right? Oh, wanna make a wow, that's a pretty big task if you ask me. That's an impressive achievement if you can achieve this. That's a good idea, yeah. C is extremely performant, so yes, for physics engine you will probably need to go for C. So she shoots 3 times. The enemy is dead and she's done. And she's all like cute and nothing happens after. Homicide. Bloody homicide. She just annihilated the poor peel. I need enemies. I need to order some models of enemies. Okay. With this done, we are like 2 hours in, so I think I need to take a break for tonight. We did a lot tonight, we made so much progress, and thank you very much everyone for showing up. Thank you very much. That was a blast, and I hope next week nothing going to happen with me. I will not be depressed, and I will stream again. I hope that will work, because like I had fun. I had genuine fun tonight. Thank you very much everyone. See you next time.